Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Tiguan key battery. First, confirm the battery type your fob uses. Most newer models require a CR2032 coin cell battery. Next, gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver, preferably wrapped in tape to prevent scratches. Finally, find the small button or slider on your key fob designed to release the hidden emergency key. Now, let's open the key fob. Press the release button and slide out the physical emergency key. This reveals a seam along the edge of the fob. Carefully insert your taped flathead screwdriver into this seam and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves. Listen for small clicks as the internal clips release. Before removing the old battery, observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. With the fob open, it's time for the battery replacement. Use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, which usually has writing, faces upwards. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click, securing the casing. After reassembling your key fob, it's crucial to test its functionality right away. Press each button lock, unlock, trunk, release to ensure they all respond correctly and the signal is strong. If your vehicle has a push-button start, confirm it works as expected. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. This simple battery change should restore your key fob to full working order, giving you reliable access to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.